Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fajar Nofrialdi in PM 61 class 3A. I will present the pile foundation. What is the pile foundation? Pile are part of the foundation that plays a role in transferring the load from the construction and structure of the building into the deepest soil layer, which is located for below the surface so that the building becomes strong and more durable. In general, the practice of building is carried out in a position perpendicular to the ground. And next, tool and material on the pile foundation. Material: earth nails and tall crawler crane and diesel hammer. Next, fill method: determination of the stack used the stack that is used in the farmhouse. Efficiency and adequate energy. Note the table above provides general recommendation for the diesel hammer. Using the right type of hammer must take into account the length of the pile, power support poles, and ground condition. Design of pile set to determine of at which the pile is piled up can be stupid based on soil and data of the last number stroke. Plan the piling sequence with the ask of maneuverability of the tool in mind. Location of stock of material is posted as close as possible to its mounting location. Determine the stack with horizontal and make them with stacks. And next, erection process. Number 1, the stack is positioned such that the axle fall and the stack at the stack, which have been specified. The mast is lifted at the lift point profile for egg post. 3 mast is erected next to the diving board and the mast head is attached to the coated helmet. View as bull leading and pole head grip. Number 4, the lower end of the bell sit carefully on top of the determined stack. Next, pole vertical adjustment is done by adjusting the basket length while checking which water pass suited a completely vertical position is obtained. Next, before the erection begins, the lower part of the mast is clamped with a corner gate at the base. Driving head to that the position of the pole does not shift during driving, especially for the pole. First and next, erection begins with lifting and dropping the hammer continuously to the helmet level attached to the head of the pole. Next, piling can be paused off for joining the next stem when level. The mast head has reached the ground level while the expected hard ground level has not been reached. Pile splicing process A. The mast is raised and the head of the mast is attached to the helmet as is done to the rock first. B. The lower end of the pillar is set on the head of the first post to head, and the connection is done by full welding around the meeting of the two end plates. The place of the weld joint is coated with anti-rust. After grafting, the erection can be continued as is done on the stem. First placing can be repeated until it reaches the specific hard spoil depth. Then, the pile erection can be stopped when the lower end of the pile has reset the layer. Hard ground, marginal set specific and coating place of level yang ditentukan sesuai sub drawing. And next, quality control. Quality control number 1, pole physical condition. A. The interpole surface is not damaged or cracked. B. The act of the concrete has met the requirements. C. The mast head must not be cracked during mounting. Number 2, tolerance. Pile vertical is checked thoroughly during the peeling process. Deviation vertical direction is limited to no more than, and deviation of the horizontal direction is limited not more than 75 mm. 3. Penetration. Before striking, the post must be marked every half meter along the post to detect penetration per half meter. Note the number. Final set. The construction can only be stopped when the approved final set has been reached. Collocation. Okay, so from my explanation, apologies if there are shortcomings and I and words. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.